Hi everyone, I just want to show you my new purchase. That is a Hobonichi for next year, 2025. It's like, I want to show it. I just received 2 days ago, but I was so busy then I didn't have any chance to show to you. But I will show it. So now if I need it, I purchased from a website from Japan. It's like directly from Japan. Sent. It's not so long actually because it's with flight. So like it took just some few days. I mean from Japan to the Netherlands, where I live. It's pretty quick. Like I guess 1 week almost, or yes, something like 5 days maximum. In the work 5 days. Five work days. I mean, I'm sorry. My English getting weak. Oh, I like it. There's a Japanese right here. I can read a bit, but not everything. Like this kanji, I have to see. But it is like nani mo ezuni. It's like orezi katana. Oh, okay. But before you think of anything, write that make me happy. Don't ask yourself what, nani, of here's a nanika made you happy until afterward. Then write down the answer, even if you really have to dig for one. You could also try that made me sad or that was delicious. Oh, they give a bit a clue how you can write on your Hobonichi techo. I'm sorry, this thing is too high. So I ordered 2 things from this website because it's my first order for Hobonichi. I never used Hobonichi before. I used a few inclusive handmade, but this year I decided to try Hobonichi because I love Japanese things, like the language, the culture. So I learned Japanese also, but not I'm not yet professional or something like that. This, I think the how do you say, cover? Yeah. And this one, ta-da! And they say that they can send 1 purchase, for 1 purchase and 1 gift. I think this is the gift. Oh no, they sent 2 actually. 2 gifts. See? This one, the pen, the Hobonichi pen. Oh, I like it. Like with the multicolor. I think I will use it so much. I don't know which color. I see blue and black, and I guess red also, but I don't know if it's more than 3. No, it's only 3. There's a black, blue and red. And this one, the gift, I think it's a notebook with a beautiful cover. Just normal notebook, but yeah, since it's a gift, I would like it. Oh, it's nice indeed. You see, with the streaming. I don't know how you say it, but when I was a kid, I called it the streaming, like with the squares. Nice, thank you. And life book. Hobonichi 2025. I choose to, for the my first Hobonichi, I choose the one just like everything in one book, because you can choose I think affect, it's divided into 2 books, something like that. Oh, they make it so nice. And I ordered the Japanese version because I want to learn Japanese. So it helps me to remember the days, how they write it in Japanese, days, number, and something like that. Because language, if you never use it, it will be useless, right? This one, I hope you can see it. I'm sorry. Hobonichi Techo Kausen. Yes, I choose A5 because I like it. It's not too small, because A6 always too small for me. I'm the one who always I love always the big version, big notebook, big bag, big notebook, and the paper is actually like really thin. That's why they advise you to use pencil board, but I didn't buy because I think I have to save my money. It's pretty expensive for me, because I think I paid like 123 for all, inclusive the cost, shipping cost from Japan to the Netherlands. It's very thin, as you see, but I saw another girl say that it's actually not really a problem, because we all love how that, not we all, but I mean some people like me, I love the texture. It comes from the pen, the pressure of the pen, and something like that. I just don't want to split, so I think I will be careful. I will see it, but the pencil board is supposed not to be a problem. So I really like it. There's also a website, I think, how to use this. But I like that they have a daily, years, and also monthly, and weekly. Nice. Oh, I will remove the box, buy box. So this one, so beautiful. This was the first time I dared to buy this. Yeah, I work also now, and I think I deserve to buy a gift from myself. I made one time also oh, I'm sorry, a Hobonichi version, like my own version from old agenda, and until now I still use it, because it's like years Hobonichi for me. Oh, this is so beautiful, you see? I always like some cover with the zipper, because I always bring so many things inside my agenda of a journal, planner, how you name it, because you can use for planner, journal. In Dutch we call it agenda, like that, where you put where do you put to put some appointment or something like that. I'm sorry for my English is getting worse now, but I think if I keep talking and use it more often, it will be better. Hobonichi Techo. It's supposed to fit here. Oh yeah, I'm sorry for my messy video. Just want to show you that you have things like this here, so you can sign it, mark it, in which page you used the last time, like that. So it will be coming up here. And they even cover everything in plastics. And I guess you can put it, oops, sorry, also here, but I want to show you first. That's pretty big. And I love green. Even my wedding, everything was in green. Everybody shows in green. Oh, except my sister. She wears, I think she wore purple because she loves purple, but at the second party she wore also green. They have also something like a thanks card. Thank you for choosing the Hobonichi Techo as your paper companion for the next year. Avoid storing or using your product in hot, humid places. Okay, I will remember that. Cotton, linen, leather, and other natural material cover may stain if the material gets wet or rubs against something. Do not use benzene, solvents, or other alcohol-based cleaners. To avoid ripping or damage, do not leave the cover by the bookmarks or pull the bookmarks too strongly. Leather may contain pre-existing wrinkles, stains, vein marks, or other markings. Over time, natural oil of the leather may emerge and appear as stains. We ask for your understanding for this naturally occurring characteristic of genuine leather. Nice. And you can put something here like stickers. I plan my stickers to be here. Maybe some card or something like that. Oh, I'm so excited. And they have also ta-da, and you can put your big stickers, and I don't know what you want to put. They of course have these things, pens loop, is it what they call? And this is like a mesh. You can see, you can put here something, paper, die cards, washi tape. So that is basically my Hobonichi. I'm so curious to use it. Oh, they give also something. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh, I love Japanese art like this. It's so nice. It's a book and they use it like IMAX. Nice. Oh, so nice. I will try to translate it so I can also learn again my Japanese. So that is a potential. I think that is potential. Potential. Yes. Oh yeah. Potential is potential. Potential. show poten potentiaru, because this is yeah. Potentiaru. I think this is potentiaru. Yeah, potentiaru. You see, I've also planned to start again. Seriously prepare myself for the basic Japanese examen this year. No, I mean next year, 2025. But I have a lot. So that's from me. I'm sorry that I took so long before finally back to my journal's life, because so many things happen in my life. And now I realize I just need to do some journaling every day to be calmer. Like, I do a lot something, but not like routine as a habit, but just like if I want, I do it. And I found that it's not really useful for my situation. Okay, bye bye, and thank you for watching. And sorry if sorry if my video is still not really how do you say, beautiful or good arranged. I will learn, and I think I just have to do it. Otherwise I just want to be perfect, and I want to be perfect, but that never happen, and I will never do it. But now I think I have to do it, so at least I have to start it. Okay, bye bye.